Good morning. This is a first introduction to SketchUp. I would like to kind of show you the screen and introduce the screen. This is SketchUp 2018. If you take your mouse, you can see the little arrow moving around. If you use your left key, you can identify an object. All right. Let's go over here and you see a click, it goes off. If you use your center key or your roller and click and hold it down, you can rotate the image. And if you use the actual rotate itself, you can zoom in or zoom out. And the right button will bring up a menu of a whole bunch of things that we can do as we work along. Now, what I would like you to do is pause and go through with the things that I have just told you and get a little practice on how to do those items. SketchUp is a 3D program as well as a /art program. And so what we're going to do is start off and let's just do some simple things to see how this program works. If you look up here, here's our toolbox where we grab the tools to work with. The first one I want you to do is go up to this one right here. Alright, and if you click on the arrow, you can see you can do a rectangular, a rotated rectangle, circle, or let's just do rectangle, which is here first. Come down, click on the corner, pull it out like this, and you can make it any size you want. Alright, next what I want you to do is we're going to go up and grab the pull tool right here. See, it's got a little arrow on it. That's the pull tool. Okay, if you bring it over, you can see when you come over the box, you can see how a pattern develops on it that shows that that's an active surface. So what I'm going to do is click with my left finger and pull it clear up above her waist. So now it looks like she's in a tub. Now that was a pretty easy box to draw. Now we can take any other surface and click on it and pull it again. Remember, if you want to get rid of your last move, do Control Z and it will go away. So let's play with that. I'm going to pull out this side, Control Z, and I'm going to take now my middle button, click and hold, and turn the box around. And I can go to the back side, pull it out, Control Z. I can even move around by using that middle key again, and I can pull out the other side. Control Z, get rid of it. Let's put this little tub up to her neck. Now I'm going to hit the middle bar and see it made the tool change. Let me do that again. I'm going to go up and click on the pull tool up here. And see it down here? See the pull tool? If I hit the middle bar on the keyboard, it goes back to the select tool. So I'm going to select this box, and if I click once, it lights up. Double click, you can see by the blue line that it's pick this side. If I click 3 times, now you see it's collected the whole box. Let's do Control Z. All right, Control Z again. And I've gotten rid of all the box, and I'm back to the original triangle. So once again, I'm going to stop, and I would like you to spend a couple of minutes playing with that and get familiar with how easy that is to do.